Okay, here's an update on my pumpkin slash Santa Claus. This is the painted Santa Claus. And what I did is I took black paint, painted the entire thing black and let it dry. And then I added the colors. I used literally only like a few colors, red, white, which mixed together made the pink, and that was it. Just two colors to make the Santa Claus. By painting it black first, it gave it an antique looking color and everything. And I'm going to add something to it. I got this little bowl that I made out of paper towel. Painted it brown first and then white. I'm going to add it here so that he has his little part of his hat. But I still got to finish painting this. I cut out cardboard, put the paste, and so I've got to add a little black paint, but that's going to go right here so that Santa has his belt buckle also. So so that's that part. Turn it around and you have the pumpkin sign. And so what I did is I added some paste to it, tried to even it out as much as I could, which is fine. It still looks lopsided, but it actually doesn't bother me because it does look like three pumpkins stacked together. And I wanted to go for the antique look. So what I did is I started off with brown, this color brown, and also a darker brown to go in the cracks and everything. So I painted the entire thing brown, let it dry, and then I added the colors. And I mixed and matched colors and everything so that it came out. So as you can see, they look pretty realistic in my opinion. They look pretty much like real pumpkins and everything. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the decorations yet. I haven't figured that out. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to test something out before I add my Flex Seal, which is right here, clear Flex Seal. I used this on my alien pumpkin, and it made it completely waterproof. But I wanted to try something out. I took a little tester here. So I did everything that I did to the pumpkin and the Santa Claus. Paper macheted, put the clay on top of it, painted it. So I'm going to try to put some polyurethane on it first and then add the Flex Seal and see if that works. The Flex Seal was perfectly fine, but I need probably 2 cans and I only have like 1.5 of it. So, and this is not cheap. This was like $10. So I want to see by testing it out if the polyurethane will react to adding the Flex Seal on top. And if it does, that way I don't ruin my entire pumpkin and Santa Claus. You know, that way everything looks fine. I love the way everything looks. It looks great. So I don't want to ruin that. So I will test it out first and you know, go from there. But if I do add decorations, you know, I'll update in a video anyway. But this is what I've done so far. So just updating. So that's how it looks.